Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in alligation mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a can contains a solution in which water is 2 parts and milk is 6 parts. That is, water and milk are in the ratio 2 ones, 2 threes, 1 is to 3. Friends, say water is 30 liters and milk is 33 is 90 liters. So the total solution is 120 liters. Friends, here our question is how much of the solution must be drawn and replaced with water so that the final solution will have half water and half milk. That is, water and milk must be same in the final solution. Okay friends, see friends, if x liters of the solution is drawn, how much water is drawn, how much milk is drawn. Friends, if x liters of the solution is drawn, water and milk are drawn in the ratio 1 is to 3. So friends, let us see how much water is drawn. X into 1 by 4. X into 1 by 4 water is drawn. X into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 milk is drawn. After that we have added x liters of water. Friends, now let us see the quantities of water and milk in the final solution. 30 minus x by 4 plus x and 90 minus 3x by 4. Friends, half water of milk means water and milk are equal. See friends, 4x minus x, 3x by 4 plus 3x by 4. 6x by 4 is equal to 90 minus 30, 60. 6 ones, 6 tens. X is equal to 40. So friends, 40 liters of solution must be drawn. 40 liters of solution must be drawn and replaced with water. Friends, this 40 liters is what part of the total solution? 40 over 120, that is equal to 1 by 3. So friends, 1 by 3 of the solution must be drawn. Thank you.